bros before hoes. Yeah, I ain't got no need for contraception. Put my bros before my hoes, that's no misconception. Have more money, I can PlayStation and a whole new porn collection. That's what I got, no girl, it's a miracle. Now I'm running up the game like a clinic school. I can focus on myself, leave a music slow. Don't need anybody else, unconditional. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. Got no cheap to spend my shit, more money I can blow. I put my bros before hoes, you already know. I got a million problems, but a bitch ain't want no more.
Name Shahied Badat. So get me on Facebook, Shahied Badat. On Instagram, Badat SHG. These are my collection of cars. I got 3 M3 E92 competition packs. 2 of them are 2011 models. One is a 2012. I love the M3 V8 competition pack. For me, it's the best, most well-balanced M car ever made. As you can see here, the first one here is a 2011. Got 120,000 k's on the clock. This is my everyday car. I drive her on the daily. She has a full stainless steel exhaust system. Done by Tom by TNT. She's crazy wild. The second one over there with the carbon fiber lap. I put the carbon fiber lap on, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber boot spoiler. That's my cruiser. That's for the weekends when I go out and take it easy. Also I got the M4 grills on there, the double grills. The last one there, they were running original 20 VSXX wheels, also 2011 model. That car now we have since 2014. It's running now almost 160,000 k's on the clock. No bearing problems, nothing like that. The last one there unfortunately is sold. One of my good buddies have bought it over.
Away gents, my name Moe Moe Badat, know me as Momo Spinner. This is my BMW 1000 RR 2013 model, quick shifter, power commander. One of the fastest 1000 RRs around. It's the most safest bike I think. Anti-skid, heated grips, heated seats, everything. It's my daily bike, I use it daily. Sure, you'll get me on Facebook is Moe Moe Badat.
How's it guys? My name is Raees Kara. You can find me on Instagram under Raees_Kara. Right here at the back of me we have a 1984 BMW E30 ruby rare in color. I've owned the car now for about 3 years and I've did a lot of work on the car as you can see. First things first, I'm sitting on Rizak wheels, 16-inch Rizak wheels. Back is stitched to 11J, front is done by 10J. Wheels were done at Wheel Society. I've imported the pop-out windows from the UK and fitted them in. As you can see, I've been going with the Alpina team, so we try to do everything as Alpina as possible. Seats are Recaro seats, Alpina gear knob, Alpina steering. Everything else on the car is stock standard. Motor is stock standard for now. It has the touring lights on it. I have the Jimmy Hill Shadowline front lip on it. And if you ask me why E30, because E30 I think is the best classic E30 that was made since Germany days. And I think the passion for E30s out there should be made. Everyone doing E30s should go crazy. And yeah, that's my ride. Hope you guys out there keep doing your E30s as well.
Let's go. And all I fucking know is I got my pros and wherever we're going, you know we own it. All I fucking know.
Hello, I'm Huzifa Mooola. I'm the owner of the 320i, Y320i. You can follow me on Instagram, HuziE30, so that's HUZI.E30. The car is stock besides the rum and the drop kit. The wheels are normal stock BMW bottle caps, 14s. step to a 17, 8J in the front, 9J in the rear. Got the studs also put on it. The car got a full exhaust system. And other than that, you got a drop kit, but it's just for cruising. It is my daily car, but if I'm traveling out of Lenasia, then obviously I have another car to use, because on the highway, the bumps and stuff, it's a bit difficult. But for me, E30 is the best BMW. It was a poster in my room when I was a kid. I love all BMWs, but for me, E30 is, as they say, the timeless design, so I love it.
I put my bros before hoes. Bros before hoes. I put my bros before hoes.